Yo, alright, we are in the process of redoing my room. I bought some stuff and I was thinking, you know what? Room's a little outdated. Let's do a little switcheroo. And honestly, I'm trying to, what?
I look under the bed and I see 3 Perrin boxes. What is this?
Stop it. We're just like pulling all my stuff out of my room and stuff. Like, I don't know. Maybe we should not do this right now. What? What's so funny? We're gonna put the board in Stone's room. The wing, we need to do something with that. You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
My room has stressed me out for so long, so I'm glad we're finally doing something. Oh, check this out. You guys haven't seen too much of my room, but I have this dope monster poster. It's actually like a vinyl. It's actually really from the vendors. And then I got a dope Liberty Walk GTR with some D&M. We're gonna be getting rid of that. And starting with this, I made this in high school, so I don't even know why we still have this. This is more outdated than my grandma's birthday.
Oh my gosh.
Garbage. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my daily life and welcome back to my car build episodes. Today we're going to be replacing the taillights. These are the stock ones. We are taking off the stock taillights and we're going to be replacing them with a much better looking one. It looks dope. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Much love to y'all and let's get into it. Yo, Sophie's like 3/4 River's mom. You're like my second mom. Bro, I don't know how to...
Sophie like does everything for you.
She's like my second mom, for real. Like, we decided to redo my room and she says we need to vacuum and wipe baseboards.
Shut up.
Are you okay? Because I would not be wanting to do that, ever. But thank you. Good stuff. Keep doing you.
Thank you.
I'm not complaining.
Okay, yeah.
It's not a complaint, it's just a out of the ordinary opinion.
Do I, like,
Wait, no. Where's my phone? What do you want to do?
take this down?
My monster poster? Nah, bro.
Why?
You know how to go through to get that? Took a long journey of ice cold, like snow and blizzard, no socks, no shoes, 300. Bro, I got it from a vendor, but it's real. Why do you want to take it down?
You see how that's black?
Yeah.
Your bed's brown.
Sophie, I want a new bed.
Okay, but when you move out, you're putting it in your living room.
Okay.
Or your
Well, you're gonna have to design my living room.
Okay.
All right, design the whole house, but make it hype. All right, boys. So this is what we got. I just got these in. These are some speakers. Oh shh. They're not bad, but they're not amazing. But it came with a sub, so that's why I was down. I can always upgrade them later. So I'm gonna do with these, and then my desk also just came in. So we're gonna be doing some rearranging to the room for a minute, so that we can get a good setup, and then the vlogs will come out even more fire. So that's the goal.
Question.
What?
Do you need this?
Glow shift gauges?
Yeah.
Doesn't hurt to have them.
River! Packages came! Packages came, Riv.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really?
Alright, leave those there for a minute, because we got better things to do. Alright guys, for this segment of the video, we're going to be installing some Spec D tuning taillights. Now, these are full sequential. They are pretty similar to the Super Speed ones, and I ended up meeting up with a guy. He was putting his car back to stock. He had a full Air Ride H3 system on there. He wanted the stock wheels, and I had to set up the stock wheels. As you can see, they're gone. And he said, yo, I'll give you my taillights if you give me the stock wheels. So I met up with him. His name is Jeremy, and we swapped for the taillights so he could go back to stock and sell all of his performance parts. So today we're gonna be installing some Spec D tuning sequential taillights. Take a nice little look at them because they're freaking sick. Being very careful with the taillights. Check these guys out. Honestly, they're super sick. Black housing, no reflectors, and the reflectors that are in there are actually red, so there's no yellow, which is awesome. So check these out.
I just bought a brand new foreign last week. Almost lost my life, I was moving high speed. God's plan, they wishing and wishing on me, trying to put me in a box, righty rich and on me.
Now, I've never seen these ones specifically on a car, so I don't know which is the turn signal. I would imagine this bottom strip is the turn signal, this is the brake light, and the C is most likely just like a running light, but they look super good, and I cannot wait to put them on the car. They're gonna kill the stock tail light. I do have the stock ones tinted, so I mean, they don't look too bad, but the sequential is gonna be an absolute game changer. Super excited to put these on. I've been wanting a different tail light for a while now. With that being said, they should be a plug and play tail light. We should be able to install these pretty quick. Taking off the stock tail light, putting in the new one, and basically just plugging in the wiring harness. Tail lights are super easy. Did them on my last car. Well, actually I never did them on my last car. I did the headlights on my last car. Headlights are pretty easy too. Seems like a little bit more wiring depending on which light you get, but tail lights, it's usually pretty easy. Let's go ahead, guys, pop the trunk and start working. It's gonna change the car, and I'm super excited to see the ending results. Let's get started on this, boys. I'm super excited. All right, first things first, we do need to pop the trunk. Go ahead, that is the gas. I always freaking do that. Going to the back, lifting up the trunk. Boom, we just got some fat subs chilling. The R1 series of the Rockford Fosgate, and honestly, I love them. They work so well. All right, I had to scoot back my subs a little bit because they do get pushed forward due to my massive amounts of boost and power that I have in this car. I know it's super crazy, but you know what? It's worth having subs and as much boost as I do have. Another thing that's super crazy is, you know, look at my wing and how it sits when I pop the trunk. Honestly, it's kind of crazy, but like, look at that. Look at that. That's super crazy. But I don't know, fits dope. It's just an APR wing. I don't know what else to say about it. Probably should remove this piece because it's limiting us from getting into this piece. There's probably a pop clip somewhere. Oh, there's one right there. Let's just kind of start tearing into stuff and hopefully we make it. Diving right behind the tail light here, as you can see, I never even removed this part. This plastic piece right here on the bottom, you actually don't have to remove. The one pop clip that I showed you guys located right there, if you just remove it, it gives you enough access to kind of fold back the liner and gain full access to the back of the tail light. Now, if you guys can see, there's 3 bolts. One right there, and one located in the very back. Looks just like these ones, but just directly behind us there. What I'm going to do is just loosen these up and the tail light should come straight out. In grabbing the right socket for the bolt itself, I'm gonna grab this little guy right here. Boom, boom. Now this should work. Should be able to just take this bad boy right off, change that to loosening. Okay, there's the first one removed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2 right behind it. Zooming in on the back bolt right there. I don't know if you guys can see this white clip right here. You actually have to get a flat head to pop it off just like that. And then you should be able to remove the nut itself. All right, all 3 nuts are removed on the tail light. Now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of tug on the tail light here. I could kind of feel it break loose. All you have to do is just give it a little bit of a tug and then the tail light comes straight out just like that. Now leaving the tail light with some room, I'm going to go ahead, unplug the wiring harness, as you can see right here. Boom, just like that. And there we go, boys. There is the stock 2016 WRX tail light, and we're going to be replacing it with the Spec D tuning sequential tail light. Super excited for this, guys. Let's go ahead and let's put the new one in.
I just bought a brand new foreign last week. Almost lost my life, I was moving high speed. God's plan, they wishing and wishing on me, tryna put me in a box, Roddy Rich and on me. Shawty got the strap, double D's, melodies in my head, but I don't wanna speak, that's on me. All these niggas sweet, let me sleep, I don't got the energy just to deal, what you mean?
Before I put everything back together, I just want to go turn on the car, hit the brakes, see if everything works. I'm super excited to see the sequential. Sophie, this is where the
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That looks insane, bro.
That looks good.
All right, let's go ahead and try this out. I don't have my keys.
Oh my gosh.
Freak, dude. The Jordans, I don't know why, but they make my foot really hot, so I had to switch to my Air Force Ones, and I got some water and my keys. All right. Let's try the taillights out.
What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been trying.
Oh!
Is that working? Oh, bro!
It's hard to see.
Dude, that was not what I was thinking. Yo, I think there's actually a way to change it.
Isn't it supposed to be?
Dude, that's cool as hell too, though.
Yeah, I like them both.
I think there is a switch. Okay, wait. You go hit the brakes.
Right or left?
What did you just say?
Is it the right or the left?
Which? There's only one brake, bro.
No, is it?
Oh, it's the middle. All right, brake. Okay, so that's the middle. Just do the hazards. Oh, that is the hazards. Oh, okay, so the hazards just does that too. Okay, which ones are these then? As I started finishing up the install on the tail lights, I then realized the reverse lights. I totally forgot about the reverse lights, so I'm pretty sure those are gonna be the reverse lights. Now, I can't necessarily jump in and put it in reverse without letting out the clutch, so we're gonna have to get maybe a clip of that later. But guys, the tail lights look amazing, and they are exactly everything I wanted. My favorite part is the sequential. I love the sequential turning signals. It adds such an awesome feature. Now, you have these tail lights, which is the Spec D tuning, or you have Super Speed tail lights. They're both different. It's just kind of a preference thing. How I ended up getting the Spec D tuning ones, I'm super down with it. Really blacks out the back of the car, and it adds the aggression that I wanted. So now you guys can see, here's the Spec D tuning side, and here is the stock side. Super different. I definitely like these ones. These ones go hard. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna take this one out, put this guy in, and we are going to be completely done with the install of the new Spec D tuning taillights. Boys, let's go. Boom. I'm gonna pull into the garage. Hopefully we can get some good footage where it's a little bit darker. Out here it's so light that you can't really see the tail lights as good as you could in the dark. So I'm gonna pull in the garage, shut the garage, turn off the lights. Hopefully we can see it a lot better. And I'm gonna show you guys what the tail lights look like fully installed with the trunk closed. Final product. Oh my gosh. These tail lights really gonna change the back end of the car. Looks amazing. Can't wait to show you guys. Let's get into that right now. What do you think about those?
They make your car look so good.
Peep. Sick or what?
They look so good. It's like all blacked out. So
I
it looks
know. Ooh, those are fresh, bro.
Okay,
all right.
Your car looks so different, but it looks so good.
I know.
It
Look at
looks
these
so
pieces of crafts. We don't even want to. No. So much better like this, huh? The black just accents the black, and the red just accents the red, and the white.
Hey.
What?
Show her the blinker.
Oh, you want to see the blinker?
Yeah. Here.
Wait till you see the blinker. All right, let's shut the garage. Let's go in here. Yo, I just decided if you hit the hazards, it turns on the blinkers. So let's do both blinkers at the same time. It's what it's gonna do, right?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, go. Oh.
Is that sick?
That looks so good.
No way, bro. Those are fresh, dude.
I think it pops out the color of your car better. And like the black.
Wow, those changed the whole game.
When you had the red ones.
Rocking the merch plug. All right. Tail lights are in, they're installed, they look absolutely amazing. I am so satisfied with how they turned out. Oh my gosh, it changed the total look of the car. Coming out back outside here. Woo, it's bright. I hope you guys liked today's install video. Stay tuned for the next one. Until next time, peace.